Today we are making an LED blink, but first we need to talk about why most tutorials fail you. An ESP32 costs less than a sandwich. Electricity moves at nearly the speed of light inside this thing, and you are about to control it using Python. That should feel like cheating, but it kind of is. This tiny dot, when it lights up, something primitive in your brain fires. That's not engineering, that's dopamine. It's the real reason we all start with blink. Not because it's educational, but because it's addictive. Most tutorials show you a colorful pinout diagram. You don't need 30 pins, you need 1. Pin 2. The rest is noise, pretending to be learning. This resistor, 220 ohms, it's a bouncer at a clap. It limits how many electrons get through. Without it, your LED dies, and with it, your LED lives for years. 3 components. This circuit is complete. Electricity could flow. It's just waiting for permission. So this is the code. You can pause and read it. Let me explain what actually matters. Line 1, from machine, import pin. Actual metal pins on your ESP32. Read that again in your head. That should feel strange. And line 2, from time, import sleep. Sleep, the most honest function. It admits that sometimes things just need to wait. We have LED is equal to pin into bracket 2 pin dot out. Pin 2, direction out. You are telling the ESP32 that this pin sends electricity. It doesn't receive. Extrovert pin, while true, forever until you stop it. Until the power dies. Microcontrollers don't get bored. They just continue. And then we have LED.on. It means permission granted. Electrons flow. And then we have sleep. For how long? 1 second. Sleep for 1 second. Meaning wait for 1 second. And then we have LED.off. Permission revoked. Meaning LED goes off. Darkness. And we have sleep. And wait again for 1 second. 8 lines. That's all it takes to control electricity. Now let's click the green run button. So first of all, let's go to options, interpreter here. Okay, we have our MicroPython here, ESP32, that's the board we're using. Then our port here, that's okay. So press OK. So now let's run it and see what happens. It says code limit isn't defined. So what could be the problem? So let's go to it and see. Yeah, this here, this LED here, this LED is supposed to be a small letter. Instead of a small letter, we use a capital. So it doesn't recognize this word. It does not recognize it. So let's change it. Now let's keep running. See. Boom. And the LED is blinking. LED is blinking. Now let's run it again.